Hi, in this video we will show you how to quickly create multiple cloud-based projects for Akabela entry kits simultaneously. Log into the cloud using the installer account. Please note that the login portal's address varies by the regions and countries. On the next screen, tap the Akabela image to reach the cloud. First, select Project from the left-sided menu, and click on Add in the top right corner. Select Batch Create Kit Package Projects, and click Submit. Then, download the template to fill in MAC addresses of the Akabela Home Center panel in each kit package. Don't forget to save it. Next, click on Add Projects by Batch to upload the template file. Wait for the creation results. By clicking on the Edit button, you'll see the families created in this manner are single-tenant and solely feature home automation. If any intercom devices are installed within these families, no worries. Once connected to the cloud, they will auto-register with the Smart Plus Cloud upon cloud connection. Here, you can configure the time zone and provide the precise address, ensuring devices receive accurate weather data once connected to the cloud. To check the MAC address of the home center device within a family, go to Detail greater than Edit. Thank you for watching.